In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make sender name appear in Outlook. If your inbox feels harder to scan because the subject line shows up first, switching to display the sender's name first can make a big difference. I'll walk you through the quick change in Outlook on the web, and I'll add a few tips so you know exactly what to expect. Start by opening Outlook in your web browser and signing in if prompted. Once you're looking at your inbox, go to the top of the page and find the View option in the toolbar. Click it to reveal more choices, then choose View Settings. This opens the settings panel on the right side of your screen where you can fine-tune how your mailbox looks and behaves. In the settings panel, make sure you're in the mail or email area. If you're not already there, select email from the list so Outlook shows you options specific to reading and organizing mail. Now select Layout. The Layout section controls how messages are listed, how much preview text you see, and other visual preferences. Inside Layout, look for the section labeled Message List Format. This is where you decide the order of information shown in your inbox rows. You'll see an option to show the subject first or to show the sender name first. Choose Sender Name first. This tells Outlook to display who sent the message before anything else, which often makes it easier to scan for people you recognize or conversations you're tracking. There's nothing extra you need to save here. Outlook applies changes automatically. You can close the settings panel or simply click back into your inbox. Take a look at your message list now. The sender names should appear before the subject lines. If the change doesn't appear right away, give the page a quick refresh. This setting applies across your inbox and most folders, so you'll get a consistent view as you move around. A few quick tips. If you don't see a view button at the top, you can open the same settings panel by clicking the gear icon, then selecting View All Outlook Settings. From there, go to Mail, then Layout, and you'll find Message List Format. If you prefer more or fewer preview lines under each message, that option lives in the same layout area so you can fine-tune readability. And if you're using the desktop Outlook app, the steps differ. Today's process is specifically for Outlook on the web. That's it. Your inbox now shows the sender's name first, helping you spot important messages faster.